let me show you my secret weapon that every handball player needs to know, whether you're playing on the top or just for fun. The worst part of playing ball with your hands is when your hands get wet. And that's why we use glue to get a better grip in every condition. That's also why 95% of handball players put tape on the side of their shoe and smear a small amount of glue on it. I've been doing this trick for more than 15 years. Let me show you how it's done. I put my tape on my right shoe because I'm right-handed. Depending on your shoe size, you will need 2 or 3 long pieces of a white athletic tape. I wear a shoe size of 47, so I usually like to put 3 long pieces for a wider surface. I like to make sure that every piece I put is really sticking to the shoe materials. Now comes the hard but not so hard part. You need another piece the same size as the others. And you need to stick only the bottom part of the tape, like 1/3 of the tape. With the rest of the tape, you will need to fold it on itself. That way we are creating a sort of mini shelf, and this is where the secret lies. This will prevent the glue of dripping onto your shoe and eventually on the floor. And to finish our build, you will need one piece of a tape that is the height of the tape that's already on the shoe. You will then need to rip it into parts. These 2 thin pieces are meant to close the pocket we created and to make everything look perfect. And voila, you now have the perfect glue pocket for your next game. No more glue dripping down your shoes and the floor. And because of this small shelf, at the end of the game, you can even take the glue leftovers and put it back in the pocket. And that's how you make the perfect glue pocket. Now it's your turn to try it. I promise you're gonna like it. Thank me later. See you in the next one. Bye.
Try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a